Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS panels and plates in structures. In the previous video, we talked about creating new vertex and making a negative extrusion through new vertex, that is edit vertex option. Now in today's video, we are going to do a same thing, but we are going to have a negative extrusion. Okay, so there is a command called negative extrusions in your panel which can help you to create the holes by which you can avoid intersections with the intermediate sections. You can have different type of holes for ventilation, maybe for passing various components through that hole. Those things can be done using these negative extrusions. So I am just selecting a panel. I'm going to create and selecting a negative extrusion. Now negative extrusion tab or dialog box will look similar to what you basically do as a creating a panel, but this will create a hole. So you can rename it panel underscore negative underscore 1. Okay, you can have different labels if you want. You can have settings. In settings you can have the parent is already selected, this panel I want to make a negative extrusion, and you can have depth, that is what your thickness of your negative extrusion is. So right now I know that thickness of this panel is 25, so I am making somewhere around 30 as my hole depth. Okay, and then create method is again similar to what we already have seen. Okay, so we will just try to make a negative extrusion here. So you can go with the selection option, click and then just select the end part, and though that point will be selected. If you don't want to do that, let us say I want to have an extrusion at the center. So what I can do is I will just remove this point. I will go to explicit position, and from position toolbar I will go to midpoint. Okay, and I will select this side of my extrusion. You get the vertex position and you say apply. So that is your first point. Okay, then you can have different directions. So you can go with say east. I want distance of say 500. Okay, and say apply. Then you can go to north. I can say apply. Then you can go to again east, but minus 500. Apply. And you can go to north and then minus 500, and you can say apply, dismiss. So right now my extrusion is outside, so you will not get any negative extrusions, but my modifier form is on. So when I open a modifier form, I will try to displace this whole thing. So you can select the whole element, all points, that is your first option, and then you can have different x and y. So x is coming towards me, so I want this to be minus 1000, let us say inside, and I want to move in y by minus 250 so that it will be perfectly at the center, and then I will say modify. So there will be hole with a section perfectly at the center. And let us say I want to modify positions. This is works similar to what we have seen. I am just modifying a radius, 0.2 radius, 0.3 radius, 0.4 radius, and 0.5 radius. Okay, so this is how you can create different negative extrusions. The only difference what I found in negative extrusions and the whatever we have created modifier form in the previous video, negative extrusions allows you to go inside the panel, and the modifications which we are doing by creating a new vertex, it is giving me the option to work on edges. Okay, so if you want to go at the center inside the panel to create different holes, you can always go for negative extrusion option. That is the better option and very effective to work with. Okay, so then what you can do is you can select the negative extrusion, you can go to modify, you can modify the extrusion. Okay, it's the same thing how it works. Then you can go to modify, you can have representation, you can change different levels. Then you can go to modify, you can have justification. No, just justification will not work for this negative extrusion. So basically we are trying to modify various properties using modify, and you can go with thickness. Okay, and by default thickness will be fixed. Okay, you can modify that thickness also using various options. Okay, so this is what I want to discuss in this video, how to create and modify negative extrusions. You can go to extrusion panel and then you can modify these things. So this is what I want to discuss in this video. If you like the content, do share and subscribe my channel with your friends. Do check the playlists which are available on my channel for AVEVA PDMS. We have a lot of playlists and more than 50 videos are available on AVEVA PDMS. So thank you for joining.